Hey, what's going on, guys? In my previous video I have shown you guys about opening the Simulink and the stuffs we have in it. Now here we are going to create a system and we are going to do some calculation with that, the basic stuff. Now let's go to Simulink, or you can type here Simulink as well as a command and it's going to open. Okay, now we are going to create a blank model and let's do something with this. Now we know that if we go library browser, we can use the commonly used blocks. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a constant. Oh no, I'm in the wrong page here. I have to grab it and put it here in the Simulink. Constant and gain. These are both of these are on commonly used blocks, as you can see. And then we go to sinks right here, and then here we take the display and put it over here. Now we can do the simple calculation with this. Now to connect the roots of this, we just put like this. Click just left click and left click again. It's going to connect. Now we can. Okay, now we know that this is a constant, this is gain, and this one is a display. Now if you want to change the constant value, or we can change the gain value as you wish. Now I'm going to just change the gain value to 9, and we want to display when the constant is 1 and the gain is 9, what's going to be the display. Now to do that, we just run here the green play button. When we run, it's giving us 9. Now we can also, if you want to keep constant as an just a value, like you put it in the command, so you put you can just name as whatever you want. I'm just gonna name as k. Okay, now okay, let's see. Okay, here I put okay. Now k. Now let's go ahead and give a value for k in MATLAB. Now here first command I created in MATLAB is Simulink. That's this one. Now second command, I'm just gonna give a value for k. K is equal to 2 and a semicolon, and don't forget to type enter. And once you type enter, it's gonna be registered over here. K is equal to 2. Now when we go and run this one, this k is gonna be replaced with 2, and we're supposed to get 18. Now let's see whether we get that. Now when we go and run this one, you can see we are getting 18 right here. Now this is some basic stuff on Simulink, and we are going to do furthermore. I'm going to do furthermore about this Simulink in my next videos. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you guys on my next videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.